I have a feeling you've done this before, Danny,
Why?
because you have some really good answers.
I have a feeling you've done it before.
New York City has its own rhythm, alive in every sense of the word. Sidewalks and a constant cycle, pumping with the flow of people. The lifeblood that constantly courses through a tangled network of streets, each punctuated by restaurants, shops, bodegas, and all the madness essential to a big city. But there is no big city quite like NYC. And I'm here to talk to someone who has his finger of the pulse of it all. Someone whose approach to hospitality has influenced an entire industry and inspired restaurateurs around the world. I'm here in the Big Apple to spend the day with hospitality god Danny Meyer.
On the next episode of Food is Love.